Hi, welcome to the second part of Red Hat Patch Analysis troubleshooting video. In this part, we'll see how to troubleshoot a yum dry run error when no include exclude list is used. You can see that the job is failed here. Let's see what is the error. We'll do a show log. We'll go to the server here. So as we can see that this is again a yum dry run, but it is not similar to the first error that we saw. It is actually a multilib error. So this multilib error is again a error that is coming from the yum execution, which generally indicates that there is a problem with the operating system for one or more patches. Unfortunately, the patch name is not visible here. So what we'll have to do is we have to check the debug logs, which we can generate by download log package. So for this demonstration, I've already downloaded the log package for this particular run as well. Let's see what is there in the log package. So this is the patch support file. We'll go and check the yum.err file. So we can see that this is the multilib error message, which is a general message that gets displayed when yum encounters a multilib problem, which generally indicates that there is a problem with a certain RPM architecture of a certain RPM. Now the error for this particular the RPM for which we are seeing this error in this scenario is libacl. So let's see if this libacl RPM is actually present on the server or not. So we'll log into the server and we'll see if libacl is actually present on the server or not. So this libacl is actually installed on the server. Now let's see that if there is any dependent RPM on libacl or not. Now the reason why I'm checking dependencies here is because it is complaining about this RPM being on two different versions, but on the server we are seeing that there is only one instance installed. So it's possible that the other instance is having problems it's possible that the other instance is coming as a part of a dependency of certain other RPM, which is causing problems. So we'll see what are the dependencies for this. What are the other patches which require libacl. So I'll use the what requires command again, and I'll use this libacl. So we can see that for the RPMs that are installed on the server, libacl is needed by ACL. There are two different versions, ACL 2.2 51-12 and 51-15. Now this both of these RPMs need libacl. Now when we check for the libacl version, there is only one RPM installed. So 51-12 is installed, but 51-15 is actually not installed. So let's see what are the dependencies of what are the patches that this particular patch ACL 51-15 requires. So for this we will use this command rpm-q capital R and then this RPM. Now it lists the dependencies for the patches which ACL this particular patch requires. So as we can see that this particular patch libacl also ACL 51-15 also requires 51-15 version of libacl as well. However, there is only one version of this patch installed on the server. So this means that this patch was probably installed without its dependency, or the installation of this patch is corrupted. So what we generally recommend in this case is to involve the system administrators and try to figure out why this particular RPM was installed without a dependency, or why this particular RPM was corrupted. So to fix this issue, what I'll do is I'll uninstall this particular RPM for now. but we do not recommend BladeLogic administrators to uninstall certain RPMs just because there is a problem here on the system. We strongly recommend BladeLogic administrators to involve the system administrators on the server and take their opinion before uninstalling or installing anything. Now this is my test server. I know what the problem here is, so I'll just quickly uninstall this particular RPM here. So the RPM is now uninstalled. Let's see, libacl. So the RPM is actually uninstalled. So we'll quickly go to the console and we'll rerun this job again. No problem, and I'll do an execute. Now we can see that the job is successful and the 51-15 version of the patch ACL is actually being reported as a missing patch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.